Okay, here we have a nice little pamphlet of trolley talk. Now, if you notice, this is of June 30th of 1956. How's that, huh? Now, I'll show you the pictures, but I'll also go really slow, so if you want to read everything that's on it, you can just pause the video and go ahead and read what they have to say. Here we have our pictures. You can pause that one. And here we go here. Talks all about the trolleymen, the schedule. And here's some more. It says, Philadelphia, here we come. Look at that. Look at them all. Industrial Photo Service. Look at that. Of course, these pieces are all numbered. Isn't that neat? Alright, and we can open this right up here. Tells you a little bit about the Brill trolley. The size of the windows, the whole works. Get it all. Here's a kit modification, slides and ends. Trying to do it piece by piece so you can read it for yourself. Go up here so you can read all that. Okay, hope you got all the diagrams right there. Alright, here we go. Canadian trolleys. And some readers talk trolley information here. Homes for old cars. And an IT quickie. And look at this one. And we have this here. Look at that. Remember, this is in 1956. Look at the old truck, huh? Bring in one of the rails. That is so cool to see. Love it. Alright, there's your little information about it. And you have the McNeil motor car. And here it is. And we have some of the pictures. Yeah, sometimes you just go to the auction and just find these extra things in the boxes and stuff, and they're just interesting. So I thought maybe somebody out there would also find this interesting. Look at that. Isn't that something? Remember, this is 1956. Very different, isn't it? $14.50. Look at that. 1922. Brill streetcar. Body is 35. Whoa. $35 for in 1956. That's a lot. $30 right there. Alright. All kinds of different pieces and prices. So I thought this was a rather good find. Interesting anyhow. A lot of people who collect the special trains, especially the extremely expensive vintage ones. They'll find this interesting, I'm sure. Okay, now the next pamphlet I have that's very interesting is this here. Power for accessory control lights. Okay, now this is for the lights of your train. And what's really unique about this pamphlet, it's a nice pamphlet, is that they sure have an awful lot of trust in the public. Because they sent this all out. And the weird thing about it all is that, look, it says, it gives you the picture, then it says patent pending. They didn't even have the patent, and they're already putting it in pamphlets. So the patent was pending for that one. And this is all the information about it. So they're giving you everything right out front. You surely would not be able to do that today. You couldn't trust doing that today. Look at that. Price, everything. Everything about it. Look at this. These are some of the new transit controls. Look at that. And here's another piece. There you go. And again, it says right there, patent pending. Can you imagine putting out pamphlets and saying, oh, well, the patent's pending? Someone else would just come right in and take it right from you. Definitely not something you could do today. As sad as it is, it's not a trusting world. Long life and heavy duty. Alright. And there you go. Patent pending. I don't know. You want lights for your train. Awful lot of patent pending for it, though. Alright. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, because you never know what you're going to find in an auction box. You might see one thing you like, you bid on the box for that one thing, and all these surprises come. So, this was a good surprise. Great auction. Bye-bye now.